everyone. I hope 2021 is taking care of you all well. I know that you have been waited a lot, but here we are with our another video. If your child doesn't know how to do coding in your Scratch yet, then you can simply find the link attached. If you haven't subscribed our channel, do subscribe it and don't forget to like, share our video. Also, by following our video, if your child makes a project, don't forget to mention it in the comment or mail us so that your child can get featured in our next video and our various social media platforms. So enjoy the video. Hi Lavanya, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine as well, Lavanya. So what interesting topic do you have in your mind today?
So today I learned about some volume formulas in a math class. I am a little bit confused in it, so I want to make a project on it.
All right, various volume formulas, awesome. So basically, for various volumes, we have different shapes, right? Whose volume formulas we have. Like, can you give me a name of any shape?
Cube.
Cube. So cube is a 3D shape, and what is the corresponding 2D shape for this cube?
A square.
A square. Basically, we have a square in 2D, and if we go with a little bit of higher dimension, like one more high dimension, we get a cube. And what is the corresponding volume formula do we have for the square? For the cube thing?
A square.
So A square is the area of a square, right? I mean, we just multiply the, suppose A is the length of the side of the square. We just multiply it with itself, we get the area. But if you're talking about volume, we are going with one more dimension. So it means for the volume, the formula gonna be A cube.
A cube.
Yeah, we'll multiply this side one more time. Okay, that is the first shape. Then similarly, we have different shapes as well. Like we have cuboid, its corresponding shape is rectangle, right? And again, we have its particular formula, that is length into breadth. So length into breadth is the area, and if we'll multiply it with the height, we'll get LBH. That is the formula, right? Similarly, we have what else we have? We have sphere. What is the corresponding 2D shape for sphere?
A circle.
A circle, right? And the corresponding volume formula of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, right? Like that, we have various shapes like cylinder, cone, and so on and so forth. And every shape have their own formulas. Now, suppose let's just take two shapes into consideration: a cube and a sphere. So, if I want to know the volume of a cube, what input do I want from the user? What does user needs to give? Then only we can calculate volume.
The side.
The side length, right? So this is one thing. Okay, now suppose we are taking sphere into consideration. So here 4 by 3 is a number, pi is a number whose value is 3.14,
so
right?
We need radius.
We need radius. Yes, perfect. So let's just come up with the project idea, right? So my favorite block, and this ask what's the name and wait block, right? So we'll take input from the user. Suppose we are giving two choices. Okay, we are giving the choices of choosing between sphere and cube. We'll ask, okay, what is the shape? Maybe you can give the shape. Maybe you can, give the costume of the shape as a cube or a sphere. Then, if the user has chosen shape, we can use our conditional block. If it's a cube, right, then we can ask for the side length, and we can give the corresponding answer using the formula A into A into A. And if it is sphere, we can go with the corresponding formula of the sphere thing, right? So this is the project idea. Now I just want you to share your screen so that we can make the project.
So first we will start. Then we will add the switch costume block here.
Okay, and so our default costume is this cat sprite is there, right? Costume 1. Yeah, perfect.
Then we will add our favorite block, the ask block.
Ah, that's my favorite.
And here we will ask from the user to choose between the shapes. Then comes the conditional block, if then.
Yes. So
Here
we
we
are
will
using
add,
if then not if then else because this project is only for 2 shapes, but we can go with as many shapes as we want, right?
yeah,
With every
yeah,
increase of shape, we have to give one if then block. Okay, perfect.
yeah. Here we will add the answer is equals to sphere.
Yeah.
Then again we will go to the switch costume block. Then it
So
will
do we
change.
have a sphere in our costumes?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Ball 2. Okay. So now
Then
since it's a sphere, yes. What input
we
do
will
we want?
ask the radius from the user.
Yes, perfect.
Now we will create a variable, volume variable, and then we will set it to the
Basically,
formula.
directly we'll use the formula.
First here we will add.
So we are using round block also, Lavanya, so that we can give a whole number value, or else it will be very difficult, no? 4 by 3.
Yeah.
After decimal place, so many numbers will come, right? So better to
Yeah.
round off the value and get the whole number. Perfect. So 4 and pi and then r, yes. One more we want. Then value of pi, 3.14.
Then here we will add the answer block.
Got it. Perfect.
We'll divide it by 3.
Yes.
Now at last we will add the say block and it will tell the volume.
Yes, anyway, we have to give the ultimate answer, right? We can use join block, no? We can say the volume is and then we can speak out the volume. It just use join block.
So as we stored the formula in the volume variable, so here we will add the volume.
Yes, perfect. So the point is, Lavanya, like that you can just simply either duplicate this if then block or maybe give another one, right? And do the same thing with your cube as well. So I mean, here we started with 2. It's fine. We can stop right here. So we started with only 2 shapes, but the point is when we are asking for the corresponding shape, we can give as much options as we want. And then as more will increase the number of shapes, more will give the if then statements and do whatever modifications we want to do with this project. So now if you will give each and every volume for each and every shape, then will it be clear the formulas of different shapes?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Okay, Lavanya. So this was a project on volume, and maybe when we'll meet next time, we'll come up with some another interesting topic, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Lavanya. We'll meet again. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye. You too.